Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA has seen a rejection from the 42 cent level, which is not a surprise given that this year, let's say, was expected to offer some resistance. We talked about it. This was not only one of the key targets here for the internal third wave that I've been tracking. No, it was also previous structural support and resistance here around 42 cents. Yeah, very, very important level. And I expected a resistance or a rejection there, which we see right now. Obviously, partially maybe Bitcoin's fault as well, but I think we would have seen that anyway, because this was a very, very clear level where we had a lot of resistance and support before. And obviously, it was the key Fibonacci level there at the 1.38 at 41.7 cents, which means, however, that we now have three waves complete in a possible diagonal pattern that might have started down here, obviously, at around 36 cents when the price bottomed locally at the golden ratio level, the 61.8 retracement on the 17th, 18th of June. So the idea was, okay, wave 2 low. Then from here, obviously, we had a wave 1 to the upside, a wave 2 corrective pullback, a possible third wave rally, and then from there the idea was, okay, if we get the third wave to the 1.38 extension, if we get the third wave to 41.7 cents, we could call that a viable third wave, and then the fourth wave and the fifth wave are still needed to confirm really that a low is in place. That's very important, because without a clear low in place in wave 2, there is no, or without a 5-wave move, there is no clear confirmation that wave 2 is bottomed. I should rather say it like that. We need that 5-wave move, even if it's in a diagonal. And, this is at best a diagonal. It's certainly not impulsive. So again, we cannot trust it. But we can watch for that structure as long as we're holding 38.4 cents. I mean, that is now micro support, right? That is the 61.8 retracement of the third wave, which unfortunately is an ABC structure, which, okay, we have to expect in a diagonal anyway, but therefore we just can't trust it. And obviously, how high is the probability that ADA will form 5 waves? If Bitcoin is still expected to go a bit lower, we will have to see. So it's not what I'm not, don't get me wrong, I'm not trusting this, and I'm not telling you this will happen. I purely lay out what needs to happen for me to confirm that we've bottomed. And until I can confirm that we have bottomed, another low is likely. So very, very important. But we are basically deep in support, and we're basically in this area watch for a reversal. But watching for a reversal doesn't mean we can confirm it, okay? So this is the micro support region. Next micro support levels at 39.9 cents, 39.1, and then 38.4. And obviously the wave 4 would be expected to take a bit of time, maybe. Yeah, take a bit of time. Maybe here like an A, B, C structure, because it should be a healthy wave 4, take similar amount of time as this wave 2, which lasted 4 days, 5 days. So this could take a bit of time here, but obviously a direct break below 38.4 cents, even though it wouldn't invalidate the triangle, another triangle, the diagonal. By the way, diagonals are not invalidated with a break of micro support. Diagonals are invalidated with a break below the wave 2 low at 36.2 cents, but like 95% maybe of diagonals fail if the golden ratio level is broken in a wave 4. So it's basically invalidation, even though not formal invalidation. But yeah, below that level, I have to assume we're going down more directly and will form another low somewhere in the region between 36 and 29 cents. And if we cannot hold there, that was it. That was it. If the 29 cent level isn't holding, that's it for the bull run, I'd say. Obviously, don't get me wrong, the formal invalidation point for this larger bullish structure is down here at 22 cents. But again, below 29 cents, the idea that this is a wave 2 correction becomes very, very unlikely. So that's why I use these boxes, because I know that statistically, most wave 2s would complete before they break below the 78.6 retracement. And if we see a break below that level, well, it indicates that most likely something more bearish is going on. But we'll see. Let's see if ADA maybe holds 38.4 cents. There is, there can always be surprises around the corner in crypto. And once we get the first 5 waves, then it's going to get interesting. That's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.